Hello and thanks for joining this weather briefing on this first day of June. My name is Dan Gregoria, a meteorologist at the National Weather Service Forecast Office in San Diego. I'll be looking at here the potential hazards in Southern California over the next few days. So what are we looking at here in the days ahead? Well, one big weather story here will be the intense and building heat late this week across the inland areas of Southern California, from the Inland Empire to the deserts, and really getting that intense heat conditions over the lower deserts, including the Coachella Valley Friday and Saturday. And we are dealing with a south swell, and so if you're going to the beaches today through Thursday, it will be dangerous in the surf zone with strong rip currents and very rough surf. So let's take a look here at the large-scale weather pattern we have going on. A ridge is building over the western United States, and it will become firmly entrenched over Southern California by Friday and Saturday, producing triple-digit readings inland. But if you're near the coast, it will remain relatively cool thanks to the ocean air from the Pacific. So let's take a look here at what we expect Friday. On the left are the forecast high temps for Friday. You can see it baking across the deserts. We are forecasting 1-teens across the lower deserts, including the Coachella Valley. And look at that over the Inland Empire. We're talking areas from San Bernardino, Riverside, point south to Temecula. We're talking about readings of eclipsing the 100-degree mark. Possibly up to 105 plus, and that also includes the upper desert. So really that intense heat will be building here late this week. You're in luck if you like it cooler, though. Along the coast, temps will only reach the 70s. Looking at the graphic on the right is a potential heat impact graphic. Those red areas on Friday, we're talking about likely impacts. So it could become dangerous out there, and the orange shading, heat impacts could be possible. Now let's take a look ahead to Saturday. On the left are the forecast highs. Very similar to Friday with that intense heat from the Inland Empire, the upper deserts through the lower deserts, where on the right you can see that red shading, likely potential heat impacts. And we do have an excessive heat watch in effect both Friday and Saturday for those locales. So the heat will be the big weather story inland, but along the coast it's the cooler conditions, but also rough surf will be battering the coast, and that's due to a south swell impacting our waters. The surf will be highest along the Orange County and northern San Diego County beaches, where breakers will average 4 to 6 feet with some sets to around 8 feet. And this picture was taken yesterday at San Clemente. Very similar rough surf conditions are expected today. So definitely not a good day to swim, as there's a high risk of rip currents along the San Diego and Orange County beaches and points northward. So we'll keep you up to date here on the heat building late this week and any other concerns over time. And as always, for the latest forecast, weather information, as well as watches, warnings, or advisories, visit our webpage at weather.gov/San Diego. And you can find some heat and beach safety information on the websites listed here. Thanks for watching this weather briefing. Stay cool and stay safe if you're going to the beaches. Have a great one.